Attention all personnel, this is the NTD conducting the launch status check. Verify ready to resume count and go for launch. OTC?
OTC is go.
TBC?
Tank and booster go.
PTC?
PTC is go.
LPS?
LPS go.
Houston Flight?
Flight is go.
Mila?
And Mila's go for launch.
STM?
STM is go.
Safety Console?
Safety Console is go for launch.
SPE?
SP is go.
LRD?
LRD is go.
SRO?
SRO is go. You have range clear to launch.
Copy. And CDR?
2 is go.
Copy that. And launch director, launch team is ready to proceed.
Copy that, NTD. Thank you very much. Chief Engineer, verify no constraints to launch.
My engineering team is ready to go.
Thank you, Charlie. KC Safety and Mission Assurance.
KSC SMA is go.
Thank you, Steve. Payload Launch Manager.
Mike, the ISS ground processing team is ready to go.
Thank you, Bill. Range Weather.
Weather has no constraints for launch.
Thank you very much, Kathy. Ops Manager.
The mission management team is working no problems. We are go for launch.
Thank you, sir. Discovery Launch Director.
Discovery 2, go ahead.
Okay, Eileen, our long wait may be over. And so on behalf of the many millions of people who believe so deeply in what we do, good luck, Godspeed, and have a little fun up there.
Well, thanks to you, to the launch team, and to everybody in the shuttle program. The crew is go for launch.
Copy that. Thank you. NTD, you are clear to proceed with this launch.
Copy. Thank you.
Main engine helium purge sequence coming up.
PLT, APU start complete. Frigate APUs.
LOTC CDR heater reconfig is complete.
QC copy.
T-minus 4 minutes. 4 minutes and counting. Main engine purge now underway, and the orbiter's aerosurface profile test is beginning. You see Discovery's rudder moving. Main engine gimbal check, or steering check coming up. Verified the main engines now are in start position.
CLS is go for ET LO2 pressurization.
And now we should have retraction of the gaseous oxygen vent arm. The GOX vent arm will pull away from the top of the external tank, the beanie cap so-called.
OTC, PLT. OTC, PLT, customer member cleared, no unexpected errors. Copy that, thank you. Discovery, OTC, close and lock your visors and initiate O2 flow.
T-minus 2 minutes.
Visors and O2 flows and work.
CLS is go for ET LH2 pressurization.
MS5.
External tank bipod heaters now being deactivated.
One minute, 30 seconds.
Sound suppression water system now being armed. T-minus 1 minute. Solid rocket booster joint heaters now being deactivated. Final check of the solid rocket booster commands. Joint heaters being turned off. LOX and LH2 fill and drain valves closed. Solid rocket booster flight data recorders activated. Standing by for the handoff to Discovery's computers. T-minus 31 seconds. The handoff has occurred. Discovery's computers now controlling.
25.
Firing chain is armed.
20.
Sound suppressor water system is being activated.
15.
Range station systems armed. T-minus 10 seconds. Go for main engine start. 7, 6. Let's go for main engine start. Main is up and running. 2, 1. Booster ignition. Liftoff of Space Shuttle Discovery. Beginning America's new journey to the moon, Mars, and beyond. And the vehicle has cleared the tower.
Discovery roll program.
Houston now controlling Discovery. Houston's now controlling. Commander Eileen Collins confirming Discovery's rolling onto a course for rendezvous with the International Space Station. This view from camera on the external tanks of liquid oxygen in line showing the bird's eye view of Discovery as it races towards space. 400 miles per hour. Altitude 12,000 feet. 3 engines on Discovery are now throttling down to 2/3 throttle to prepare the spacecraft to pass through the area of maximum air pressure and go supersonic. One minute since launch, Discovery speed now 900 miles per hour.
Discovery, Houston, go at throttle up.
Discovery, just go with throttle.
All systems remain go for Discovery. Altitude now 9 miles, 6 miles northeast of the launch pad. One and a half minutes since launch, Discovery's already consumed more than 2.25 million pounds of propellant. It weighs less than half of what it did at liftoff. Speed now 2,000 miles per hour. Altitude 18 miles, 14 miles northeast of the Kennedy Space Center. Standing by now for burnout and jettison of the twin solid rockets. Booster officer confirms clean separation of the solid rocket boosters. Discovery now on its 3 main engines, second stage. Speed now 3,030 miles per hour. Altitude 33 miles, 40 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center. Discovery's orbital maneuvering system engines are now firing to assist its climb to orbit. They'll fire for about 2 minutes and 19 seconds. This again a view from camera on the external fuel tank for Discovery.
Discovery, Houston, 2 engine, Zaragoza.
Discovery is 2 engine, Zaragoza.
That call that Discovery could perform a transatlantic landing at a Spanish Air Force base in Zaragoza, Spain if required. 3 engines continue to operate well. All systems in good condition. Altitude now 254,000 feet or about 48 miles. Discovery speed 4,500 miles per hour. 85 miles northeast of the Kennedy Space Center. About 5 minutes left until cutoff of Discovery's 3 main engines. Discovery's altitude now 59 miles. Speed 5,500 miles per hour.
Discovery, Houston, negative return.
Discovery is negative return.
That call confirming Discovery's gained too much speed and altitude to return to a landing at the Kennedy Space Center if that were required. All systems remain go for Discovery. Just over 4 minutes to cut off of the main engines. During that time, Discovery will more than triple its current speed to reach the 17,400 miles per hour required to achieve Earth orbit. Discovery 200 miles northeast of the Kennedy Space Center now, altitude 65 miles, speed 6,700 miles per hour.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Discovery is pressed to ATO.
That call indicating Discovery could reach a lower than planned but safe orbit on only 2 engines if needed. All 3 engines continue to operate well at full throttle. Speed now 8,000 miles per hour. Altitude 67 miles, 300 miles northeast of the Kennedy Space Center.
Discovery Houston, single engine ops 3.
Discovery is single engine ops 3.
Discovery can perform a transatlantic landing on only 1 engine if required. All continuing to go well. Altitude 67 miles, 350 miles northeast of the Kennedy Space Center. Discovery speed now 9,200 miles per hour. Discovery is rolling to a heads-up position now to assist its performance as it finishes its ascent to orbit.
Discovery Houston, press to MECO and single engine Zaragoza 104.
Press to MECO and single engine Zaragoza 104.
Those calls that Discovery could reach its planned orbit on only 2 engines if needed. All 3 continue to operate well at full throttle. Just under 2 minutes to cut off of the main engines now.
Discovery Houston, we see a nominal shutdown plan. You will be go for the plus X and go for the pitch maneuver.
Nominal shutdown plan, go for the plus X and go for the pitch maneuver.
Good copy.
About a minute and a half to cut off of the main engines. Those calls confirming that the crew is go to do a plus X maneuver after jettison of the external tank to clear.
Discovery Houston, single engine press 104.
Single engine press 104.
All right, so
Plus X maneuver.
audio on,
and also
camera
then a
1,
pitch maneuver.
camera 2, camera 3. All right.
Oh, so nice to see all you folks. Very nice for you to come here. It's a long ways out here in the country, isn't it? Well, we welcome you to the only Aviation Cadet Museum in the world, and we have displays here that no one else has. For instance, we have an F-105